Welcome to our ongoing weekly clip series, Wolff Bites.
Hi, I'm Lynette Wolff.
And I'm Brian Wolff.
We're the Wolff couple.
Oh. If you're willing to not be angry, I can cure you of anger. Okay, but the problem is most of the people who are angry don't want to stop being angry. They actually get something out of it, and they actually will sit there and wallow in anger sometimes, and they'll sit there and think about stuff that makes them mad. Okay, and it's just some people, that's their dad. Look at how their dad was, because I'm telling you, that's where they got it, almost assuredly. So you can't sit there and wallow in anger. It's not healthy. It's unhealthy for you, and it's unhealthy for your brain and your success, your chances of success. Okay, so anger is something that sometimes you got to get out of. And if you're sitting there thinking about something that's ticking you off, that's not a productive use of your time. Go out and buy a house instead, honestly. The thing about anger is it's such a ritualized emotion. You can see exactly a person who's mad, you can look at them and usually you can say, okay, they're mad. Because there's facial gestures, there's the way you walk and everything. I'm not even gonna do it because I don't want to feel mad. If I started acting mad, that's how actors get, into character. They just start doing it physically, and then that gets the emotion. And that's what that saying's about, guys. What is that one? Motion equals emotion. So if you walk around confident, I am confident. I am going places. I am going to be successful in this world. That just gives you a certain feeling. But if you're kind of like, kind of mad or something, and you guys all have your own ritual, but it usually starts in your neck and your shoulders, and you get tense, and you start to clench your jaw, and you have all these little things. Now, you can think of what they are. Write down all your little rituals, what you do when you start getting mad, and it's pretty easy to identify it, and then you're going to say, I'm not going to do those things anymore. And they're just physical actions, okay? And that will stop you from dwelling on angry thoughts. That will stop you. I'm not saying you're not going to get angry. You will get angry. It's such a triggered response. So there's going to be stimuli. Now, I can tell you this too. You can try to remove the stimuli from your environment. Okay, so if you listen to talk radio and you're fuming after 10 minutes, remove the stimuli. Don't listen to the talk radio. It's unproductive. Listen to our CDs, guys. Listen to Ron and us going out and closing a deal at a house. That's what you should be listening to. Okay, not something that gets you all worked up for no reason. Okay, and that's the whole thing with anger.
We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
Plus, you can be nice and share it with others.
And remember to subscribe to get notified of new great videos.